So addition of fractions, this is what we are doing here. So we will talk about the fractions in this: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and then some amount of comparison as well, right? Addition of fractions. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. How would I do this, right? The logic is this: I first find the LCM of the denominator. So what is the LCM of denominator? Or simply you can take it as 2 into 3. Here it's 2 into 3, 6. Let's say if I ask you what is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12. The LCM is not 8 into 12. You can do 8 into 12 also, still that's fine. But how do I find LCM? You do this method, right? 2 2s, 2 4s are, 2 6s are, 2 2s are, 2 3s are. No, I don't have anything common to divide both. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 is the LCM. That is 24. So first step is find the LCM. Now I got the denominator 6 in this case, right? Now what is this numerator? See, you have to do this denominator by, the LCM by the first denominator 2 plus 6 by 3, because 2 3s are 6, right? So that's what I'll get, and this is 3 2s are. So the numerator, this one, should be seen in this way. The LCM for 2 and 3 is 6. So 2 3s are 6, that's why I should write 3 here, plus 3 2s are 6. I am writing this plus because of this. And 3 2s are 6, that's why I should do 2. Otherwise, you can think it this way: LCM by the denominator 1 plus LCM by denominator 2 by the LCM itself. 3 plus 2 by 6, that will be 5 by 6. In this case, LCM is 24. So I should do 24 by 8 plus 24 by 12. This is 8 1s are, 8 3s are. This is 12 1s are, 12 2s are. This will be 5 by 24. Or you can think of 8 3s are 24, 12 2s are 24, so it will be 3 plus 2 by 24 directly. Right, this is what you will do for addition of fractions, right? Let's say if I am talking about 1 by 18 plus 1 by 32, let's see what is the LCM of 18 and 32. 2 9s are, 2 16s are, and I don't see anything. This is going to be a little bit more difficult to do actually. 2 is the only common thing I see, so that will be what, 18 into 16, that will be 288 is the 18 into 16, right? Yeah, 288 would be the answer for this. Did I do correct? Saying 18 into 16, 16 is 128 and 288. Perfect. Right, and then so 18 16 is 288 plus 32 into 9 is this. So it will be 25 by 288 is the answer for it. That's what you'll do. Right, subtraction of fractions very similar. Let's say I am doing 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. First step is still the LCM of denominator, that is 6 in this case. I will get 6, right, and then do 6 by 2 minus 6 by 3. That will be 3 minus 2 by 6. Here the minus is coming because this is subtraction. That will be 1 by 6 is the answer. Let's say I have 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. LCM is still 6. 6 by 3 minus 6 by 2. That will be like 2 minus 3 by 6. The answer will be minus 1 by 6. Right? That's what you will get. If I am doing 1 by 8 minus 1 by 12, as I said, the LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. So 8 3s are 24 minus 12 2s are 24. That will be 1 by 24 is the value for it. Right? That's what you do for this subtraction. Same concept, just that plus minus, you just have to follow that. If I give you something like 1 by 3 plus 1 by 7 minus 1 by 21, LCM of 3, 7 and 21 will come as 21 if you do it. 3 7s are 21 plus 7 3s are 21 minus 21 1s are 21, so it will be like this. So 7 plus 3 because it's plus, and minus 1 will be minus 1, that will be 9 by 21, that will be 3 by 7 is the answer. Right? That's how you do with this. So multiplication of fractions, right? Let's say if I ask you what is 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. That's simply numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator, right? So that's 1 into 1 by, that's 1 by 6. If I ask you what is 7 by 5 into 8 by 12, that will be like 7 into 8 by 12 into 5. I can simplify, yes, 4 2s are 4 3s are, that will give me 14 by 15, but that's how it works. Multiplication of fractions is very easy, right? When it comes to division of a fraction, right? So it's like 1 by 2 is divided by 1 by 3. What should you do? You should do 1 by 2 into reciprocal of the fraction. So division becomes multiplication, you just have to reverse this order. So 1 by 2 into 3 by 1, so it will be 3 by 2. So if I ask you what is this, right? 1 by 5 by 1 by 6. This is like this divided by this. So that's basically 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 6. That is 1 by 5 into reciprocal of 1 by 6 is 6 by 1. That will be 6 by 5. Sometimes you will see in problems something like this, 3 by 2 by 4. What does this mean? 3 by 2 is fraction divided by 4. You can write 4 as nothing but 4 by 1. So 3 by 2 divided by 4 by 1 can be written as 3 by 2 into the reciprocal of 4 by 1 is 1 by 4. That is 3 by 8. That's what you have to do. Right? That's how you look at the division of fractions, right? Just division becomes multiplication, then the divisor becomes the reciprocal of it. Let's say I talk about 7 by 6 into, divided by 5 by 4. This is nothing but 7 by 6 into reciprocal of this is 4 by 5. 2 2s are 2 3s are, that will be 14 by 15. That's what you will do. Right? That's how you divide the fractions. Now the comparison of fractions, right? This is sometimes an important thing for you to understand. So if I ask you which one is greater, 1 by 2 or 1 by 3? The answer is 1 by 2. But let's say if you are confused, right, how do I compare two fractions? I would say there are two ways. One, if the denominator is same, right, larger the numerator implies larger the fraction. Right, this is one way to look at it. Or if the numerator is same, smaller the denominator implies larger the fraction. Right, you just have to pick one of these two techniques to compare two fractions, right? Let's say 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. So here the denominators are not same. I can follow this approach. What can I do? I can just multiply 1 by 2 with 3 by 3 so that I get them 3 by 6, and I can multiply this with 2 by 2 so that I get 2 by 6. Right, I'm multiplying such that I'm getting the LCM, right? 2 3s are 3 2s are, so 6 and 6, the denominators are same. Now the numerators, which one is larger? 3 by 6. 3 is larger than 2, so 3 by 6 is greater than 2 by 6. That means 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3, right? Denominator is same, larger the numerator, larger the fraction. Denominators are same, right? Denominators are same. Now the numerators are 3 by 6 and 2 by 6. The denominators are same. Larger the numerator, 3 is greater than 2. That implies 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3. Right? It says then if the numerator is same, that's what I had, right? 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. The numerators are same. Smaller the denominator, larger the fraction. Which is the smaller denominator? 2 or 3? 2 is smaller, right? Than 3. That means 1 by 2 is a larger fraction. Smaller the denominator, larger the fraction. So let's take another example, which is slightly 183 divided by 240, and then I'm let's say you're talking about 33 divided by 40. Let's say something like this. Now what should I do? Here I see a simple thing for me to do is to get the denominator same, because 183 33 cannot be equated easily. So what can I do? I just multiply by 6 and 6, right? 46 is 240. See, 33 into 6 is 198. So 183 by 240 and 190 by 240, which one is greater? 240 is same. 192 is a larger numerator than 183. That means this fraction is larger than this. That's the answer, right? That's how you compare things. So that's the logic that I generally use to look at the fractions. One way is this, that you get the denominator same and you just compare the numerator. Or sometimes it makes sense for you to compare the denominators because the numerators are same. Right? I can give you something like this, 240 divided by 183 and 40 divided by 33. Then it makes sense for me to get the numerator same, right? 240 by 198, same numerator. This is the smaller denominator, 183. That means this is the larger fraction. That's what you should understand, right? As simple as it.